We're sure it's going to be a very high intensity game.
A lot is happening in the middle. The fans are already building up the atmosphere. The captain has opted to bat first after winning the toss.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Squeeze a single there, good running. Directed, absolutely bang on the stumps. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. Excellent running between the wickets. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's edged and four, not much that he can do about that one. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's four more. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman has played all around that one. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Last ball coming up. That's a six. The power is extraordinary. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Muscle, a magnificent shot for four. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot for a single. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. It'd be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. Mid-on goes back to long on. Mid-on in place. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. Bullseye. What a throw. Flat and fast. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Well placed into the gap. Possible too. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Turned away for a single. That's an excellent throw. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Last ball coming up. Very good running between the wickets. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.